What really matters is what comes after someone joined the business. You have to find the right way, a duplicatable way for them to do the strategies. If they're gonna do social media, let's say if they're gonna create a account on social media online, what is the first steps that they need to take in order to do this? The first people in network marketing have an advantage because their profile haven't even promoted anything about the business opportunity or the products opportunity yet, right? But the people who are already in network marketing can promote it on their profile because they will look like a spam again, right? Let's say they're promoting company A while back, and then now they're promoting company B right now. So what do you think that means, right? So you really have to think about it, guys. A progress or a process or strategy, you have to test it out at a minimum of 90 days, which means like a 3 months period, right? To see if what you teach really works. Do you understand? That's a minimum 90 days. That's even 3 months, right? So money for me at the front end isn't much important. Yeah, we're gonna happy because we're gonna earn, right? But the biggest money is in the back end, on the continuous one. How can we teach people to build the business the right way, in the long term, right? Continuous cash flow instead of one time cash. Get it? Okay. So just think about it. How much money can you make 4 months from now? If someone joins you right now, how much money can you make after 4 months when you teach the strategy? Understand? Okay. And is it gonna be continuously, right? If the people who join are constantly generating their own income in their building the business without taking too much of your time, how can you do that? How can you align it to time freedom? Let's say the first one is financial freedom, and then align it to time freedom. So you can have all your time back, but you're also earning so much money on the back.